Send photos as document on WhatsApp. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to send a photos as document on WhatsApp. First of all, open up your WhatsApp, tap on the person that you want to send him the photos. So for me, I'll just send the photo to this person. So after I open the person, all you have to do is just tap on this icon beside the camera to choose your photo. So for now, don't choose this gallery, tap on this document. So after you tap on this document, tap on this browse document. So in this section, all you have to do is tap on this photos or image. So after you tap on these images, now it will bring you all your images of your phone. So all you have to do is just go and select the image that you want to send as document. So I'll just go with this image. After you select the image, as you can see here, it will give you the size of the image. So tap on this next button or send button. So as you can see, here is the image. Now the image will be sent like document to this person. That's it guys. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and ask question in the comments. Thank you for watching guys.